Hello, good morning, Dian. How are you?
Hello, good morning. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Dian, what do you think about English?
I think English is very important.
What do you think is very English so important?
I think it's good because now in my area there are lots of foreign tourists and I also chose tourist profession so I have to take advantage of it. What do you think about English?
I agree with you opinion and I think English is very important.
Yes, you're right.
Thank you.